I know you have a basic understanding of programming by now. Let's dive straight into the world of Dart. Since this is our first video, we'll start with a Dart introduction. Let's get started. Disclaimer. This video is not a coding tutorial. If you're looking for hands-on coding lessons, check out our other videos. Your time is valuable, so let's make the most of it. What is Dart? Dart is a versatile, object-oriented programming language created by Google. It's designed to build fast, scalable, and high-performance applications for the web, server, and mobile platforms. Dart's clean syntax makes it easy to learn for both beginners and experienced developers. It supports both ahead-of-time (AOT) and just-in-time (JIT) compilation for efficient development and optimal performance. Dart's code is readable and concise, making it a joy to work with. Strong typing. Dart offers both static and dynamic typing, providing flexibility and helping catch potential errors early. Asynchronous programming. Dart's built-in async await features simplify asynchronous tasks. Rich standard library. Dart comes with a comprehensive set of tools and functions out of the box. Cross-platform development. You can build applications for web, mobile, and desktop with Dart. We'll explore these features in depth in our upcoming videos. Why Google uses Dart for Flutter. Dart is a perfect match for Flutter, Google's UI toolkit. Let's see why. Performance. Dart's AOT compilation delivers fast, smooth Flutter apps on iOS and Android. Hot reload. Dart's JIT compilation enables Flutter's hot reload feature for rapid development. Consistency. Using Dart for both UI and logic creates a unified development experience. Modern features. Dart's features like null safety align with Flutter's quality focus. Single codebase. Write once, run everywhere with Dart and Flutter. Strong community. A thriving community supports Dart and Flutter. Why you should learn Flutter and Dart in 2024 and beyond. Learning Flutter and Dart in 2024 opens up a world of opportunities. Cross-platform mastery. Build apps for multiple platforms with a single code base. Future-proof skills. Stay ahead in the growing cross-platform market. Performance and efficiency. Create high-performing apps with native-like experiences. Growing popularity and community. Join a thriving ecosystem with abundant resources. Versatility and modern features. Build beautiful and robust apps with Flutter's toolkit and Dart's features. Future possibilities. Explore AI, AR, and VR integration with Flutter and Dart. Career advancement. High demand for Flutter developers leads to exciting job prospects. Google's backing. Benefit from continuous improvements and support. By mastering Flutter and Dart, you'll be equipped to create amazing apps and shape the future of app development. Let's embark on this journey together.